Today we're going to take a look at how to use Lofty to get seller leads, how to focus on that a little bit. We've done some other ones. Want to make sure we can show you some tricks and tips how to get extra seller leads using your CRM here, Lofty. There's a couple things we'll show you that you can do. Some of these are going to work, some aren't. Just take the ones that work for you and put it to work and make some money. So the first thing, when you're in your Lofty, you've logged in, you want to go to website at the top, and then it'll open up. It'll either open your website or you have to click on it. Thanks, John, for letting me use his. And then once it opens up, click on your website link at the top to open your website. You can design it. This isn't a video going over that. You can change it if you don't like the look of it. You can see different things. It's all up to you. So this is the website. What you're looking for at the top, it says sell. Yours might be in the top left or the top right. And then it says sell my home or home valuation. I'm going to click on home valuation. And now by doing that, when I hit home valuation, this is a link I want right here at the top. Anyone who clicks their information in this link is going to open up, and they're going to have an option to get a free market analysis, a comparative market analysis, a CMA, a value of their house. So once you click it, you open it up, you get the value of your home. They look at it, they're like, awesome, I want to see it. They have to sign in. Easy way to get a lead that way by posting this. So I recommend you would take this link, just like I'm doing here, the URL at the top. I would open a new tab. That wasn't a tab. This is a tab. I'd open a new tab and go to like Facebook, for example, and paste it. And then right here, it would be pasting. Now, you know, it doesn't give me a great picture, but that's okay. I'm going to highlight the whole link and delete it. Now, if you wanted a nicer picture, you can go to Canva and you can create the link in a picture. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So what we're going to do, we don't like this picture because it's not very eye-catchy, but we still want to have the link that we had in here. This link that we deleted, we want that back in the picture because people aren't going to click on this bar. So I'm going to go here, open a new tab. I'm going to go to Canva. This is the free version, not the paid version, just so everybody knows. And I'm just going to click on, like right here, create a design. And I'm going to click on something simple like Facebook post, just to make it simple. And then when I open up the Facebook post, it's going to show a whole bunch of different options. On the far left here, I'm going to go to uploads right here. And let's say I'm going to upload a really nice house picture. This one's okay. I'm just going to throw it in here to practice. And then to make the picture fit without having to drag all the corners, you just right click it and go set image as background. And there it is, the picture's in the background. So of course I would do a pretty beautiful picture like this, something like that. And then I'm going to go here and go to text and add a text box. And then I would say, and I'd make it a little bit prettier, of course. Would you sell your home for the right price? And then I'll make sure that I spell everything correctly. Let me fix all my terrible spellings. I did it too fast. Let me go right here for the right price. Make sure, and all these instant checks for me is from a program called Grammarly. If you don't have Grammarly, I highly recommend it. It's free as well. And it can go through, like you can see right here, and we'll go through and fix everything for you. Now, I don't want it to be like right there where no one can see it. I might want it to go higher. I might want to make it bold. I do definitely want to make it bigger. And then I might want to change the color. And there's white. White's not great. Black's not great. Black is a little better if I put it down here. So you just got to play with it a little bit just for time and making it look simple. We'll say that white is the color we want. And I'd probably want to even make it bigger maybe. Make it take up a lot of space. Because I might want it to say, would you sell your home for the right price? Because I want people to see that as a different kind of message. And then I might even go through here. I might change that part to a different color and then change this part for eye-catching a different color like that. You know, something like that. Yellow is not a good example because it doesn't show up, it doesn't pop really good. But I would play with the colors, make them look good like that. And then once you click on this, it's ready to go. If I want to, I could add the link to that link right there, but I don't want to. I want to go back here to elements. And at the top, if I search hyperlink, all these different graphics show up. I'm going to go, I don't have the paid again, I'm just showing you the non-paid. So I'm going to go over here and pick one of these links. And I'm going to click on that link. I'm going to drag it down here, maybe to the bottom right, something like that. And then what are you going to say? Very simple. I'm going to click on these 3 lines. I'm going to click link. I'm going to drop the link right there. And I'm going to go back to my text and grab another text box and say, click here for value or something like that. Now, again, I don't want this to be as big as the other one. But let me get it out of the way here and then put it right here. Then I could do the same thing. I could change it, different color, make it a little whatever I want to do to play with it. And that's a simple little thing to look at. So they click it, it opens up that link. It's embedded. So would you sell your home for the right price? Click here for value. Now, of course, these colors aren't the prettiest, so don't hold me to that. I would tweak it some more just for the video time. I'm going to keep it like this. And then in the top right, I hit share, download, keep it as a PNG, download that sucker. I'm just going to throw it in my downloads, keep it simple. It's in my downloads. So now when I go back to my Facebook, I'm going to get rid of that and upload the picture that I just downloaded right here. There it is. Now when someone clicks it, it's going to automatically click them back and throw it in there when they click on that link. That's our hope anyway. We're going to check it and make sure I didn't screw it up. And then you'd put your message, whatever, check out your home, would you sell your home for the right price, etc. And then we'd post it. And then once they post it, let me grab it on mine. You post it, it'll be in yours. I'm going to click it, and then boom, once it clicks and it opens, and it's not working, so that's a bad example. I have to play with it and make sure I fix my link. And then you can go through there, and I have to tweak it a little bit to make sure that it works, because right now it's just opening, and it's not allowing the link. So if that didn't work like mine didn't do it, I'd probably delete it. Again, that's the fun of doing things live. You never know if it's gonna work or not. You hope it is, but you're just playing. So if it didn't work for some reason, I just wanted to keep it like this, I would go through and see what happened in my Canva and fix it a little bit so it's better. But when they click on this, if I posted it just like that and it loads up, let it load up. So, all right, it doesn't look bad. So it does show a picture. I thought it was going to be gray, so that's not bad. So if I click find out what my home is worth, it opens up, boom, you catch them on your website. Good to go. So that one is better than I thought. So I would probably not do Canva on this one because this looks cleaner with that top picture like that. That's not bad. Another thing you can do with the link, turn this one off because we don't need that one. I'll change it out in a minute. If I can take the link, then I can go to, and I've showed you this before in the videos, I can go to QR Monkey, load this up, and put the link right here at the top. Make sure it's qrcode-monkey.com. And then the reason I like this instead of Canva or any other service is I can now go into set colors. I can click around. Let's say I want to make it blue or purple today. We'll stick with it. Let's go to red and get it nice and red today. It doesn't matter. And then I can go to the next one and grab my image, and I'll just grab a headshot. I don't care what it is. We'll grab a little headshot in there. And then the second thing I can do is add designs to the corners in the setup so it looks different. And then when I hit generate QR code on the right here, it's going to give me a design a little different than the normal QR code. See, now it stands out. I can put my logo, of course, for my broker instead of my headshot, or a picture of a house, whatever you want in there. And then it would look different than you just hit download. Now, once you hit download, it says sign up. You don't have to sign up. I'm going to stop the download. It takes about 10, 15 seconds to download. Just ignore the box and let it download. And then you have it. So now I have a way to use it. I have a QR code. I can cut and paste, put it here. And then once I like, love, and share it, I can drop it into all the different Facebook groups that people are looking to buy and sell their house. You want to do about 10 to 12 Facebook groups a day. And then I'll push it out and get it good to go. And then I have my QR code. The other thing you can do with it, if you want to turn it into a door hanger, again, you can do these. I use Avery, but you can use Canva. All kinds of different places have it. And if I go to Avery, I'm going to show you, again, the same simple ones I've used before. These are the two main ones, my go-to, because they're easy to use. I use this door hanger, and it's 16150. Again, 16150 for the number. You just type that in, you have it. And I do a very simple design, such as what's showing here. Would you sell your home for the right price? Get your instant value. And then I put the QR code we just created right here. And the other two parts, sell your home, keep your money, your instant value awaits, boom. and put my little stuff right there. Good to go. And then on the back, I put all the rest of my broker knickknack stuff at the top. They know where I am, all that kind of good stuff. So this way I can create my own door hangers, very simple and ready to go. Now, say you already have door hangers and you're getting some and you just want to put your card at the bottom, instead of burning through 200 cards every couple weeks, putting them on hanging up door hangers. Instead, I go here and I just use this label, 18863. And again, same thing, very simple. It says, would you sell your home for the right price? Get your value here. And I may change the arrow to like fingers pointing, which probably what I would do to point to your QR code. So it looks a little cool that way. And then have it. And then I would just stick this on the door hanger that I got for free from like home warranty companies or anything. And then that way, I wouldn't have to burn through my business card so fast. And because it's a sticker, it doesn't blow away in the wind. No kids can tear it off. I don't have to worry about all that jazz. So that's two simple things I would do right off. Again, in Lofty. Let me find my Lofty here. Go to the website, like we showed you right here. Grab sell home valuation, take that link, and you can put that everywhere in all your social media, turn it to a QR code, and put it in different places. The other thing I would like to do if I was going to be needed seller leads is I would go back, not my website. I'm going to close that out, back to my main Lofty, go to marketing at the top. On the far left, I'm going to scroll down and go to landing pages. And then under landing pages, at the very top, it says add a new landing page. I'm going to click on that and look for the one that says seller guide download. And then when I open up that template, again, this is the name. I'm going to put seller guide, because that's what it is. And then you can see it automatically sets it up, and then you hit save. And it's good to go, and it's going to load up. Now this one, right when it loads, sometimes it doesn't let you publish it right away. If that's the case, you have all these buttons on the left-hand side. Sometimes you have to click through those and get them before you can publish. Now, one thing you want to see if you have this, not every broker will have it, but if you have Lofty on the left, if you have SEO, you want to go to keyword relevance, keyword relevance. And then you want to go in here and put in some keywords. This would be something like homes, how to sell your home for free, how to sell your home without a realtor. And you're like, why would I put that? I don't want to use them for free. I don't want to not use me, of course. But you're doing that because that's the keywords people are going to be searching for, because they're silly when you put them in there. So that's what I would do. I put that in there. I put my keywords. I have that all ready to go without any issue like that. And then I put like homes for sale in San Antonio, whatever I was going to do. And then I have all my keywords, and you can check them. The other thing you can do is if you come up here to the settings and go to page tracking, if you have a Google Analytics and a Facebook Pixel, I have other videos on those. Please feel free to go through and drop them in there and watch my other videos too. Make sure you're liking and subscribing before I forget if this is all helpful to you, so we can keep the channel running. So again, Google Analytics, you drop it in, Facebook Pixel, have your SEO. This will very, very much help. See, sell property, how to sell your home. Right there, they're giving me ideas already. Real estate seller guide. They already give you ideas. And then if you go to your SEO, it shows you how good. Okay, it's going to want me to publish first before they run the SEO, but that's okay. And then this is fine. I'm going to put a little space in there because that's what they want. And then I could put anything else in there I wanted to. And then again, you see I have my keywords now. Fix my keywords. Then I'm going to go here to my settings, get my page tracking ready to go. Then I'm going to hit publish. Now, when it loads up, I like to do this. You can do whatever you want. I like to go to social media here because I want this link. And then I grab this link right here because that's the one I want. And then I'm going to go again, like say I was back in my Facebook. Let me pretend I'm going back to my Facebook. And then if I was going to do a new post, not that one, this one, it loads up, get your free seller guide. And then again, you always want to highlight the whole link and delete it because people don't want to see that. Now the link's part of that picture. And then I would say, you're looking to sell your home, learn how we can get you the most money in the least amount of time, learn how we can help you get you, would you sell your home for the right price, anything you want to say. And then you post that to 10 different Facebook groups or social media or whatever you're going to be doing. So again, remember, you have how much is my home worth, your seller guide, and with the seller guide, it opens up just a simple seller guide that says it's important to use a realtor, how to get your home cleaned up. Very simple stuff that you wouldn't even think about that someone would would not know, but people who don't do this a lot, like realtors do, like we do, they need that information. So it's really good to be able to help them do that. So this is a great way to do that. So that's as simple as it is. I'm just showing Facebook because it's a simple. You can also do it on all your other social media. Like Instagram's a little different. TikTok, of course, you have to have a video. Instagram, you would have to create a video or a picture and make it a story, not a reel. And then you add a sticker. And then once you add a sticker, you would put the URL in the sticker. Try to do another video on that so you can see how to do that. Hope that's helpful. Please like and subscribe. Talk to you soon.